Today, guys, I am going to tell you all about Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle. The Rubik's Cube is a 3D combination puzzle originally invented in 1974 by Hergan. See, and this is Rubik's Cube. Oh, and here is a picture about Rubik's Cube. Over here, these are the Rubik's Cube pictures. But there are so many shapes. Look at this one. It's a magic speed magic Rubik's Cube. That looks like a Lego cube or something. And there is an cubic shape and Adam, and this looks like a triangle or a pyramid shape. This looks like a pyramid cube. And now here I'm gonna show you some images about Rubik's Cube. But solving Rubik's Cubes are hard. Very, very hard to solve them. Because they have to become solved. But if I tried, I can't do it. But if you have ever solved the cube, post a comment below. And these are some images about Rubik's Cube. And this one has three colors: yellow, red, blue. And there and Rubik's Cube Rubik's cubes are difficult to solve because because they are really hard because they have some colors on it, but some colors can be difficult. They can be very, very difficult, but the hardest cube, if you want to solve them, then you have to start from an easy one, then to a medium one, and then to hard, and then and very hard, and then difficult. Rubik's cube is like a very nice, and it and and if you can solve a if you can't solve a cube, if you can't, you give up, then you need a GAN robot, and then the robot can solve it easily for it. And these are some cubes. I have cubes too, but Megamix X, and I'm gonna. Do you know? Let's search about triangles. That sounds good. Let's search about triangle. Rubik's cube. Tri- triangle. Oh, I found my Rubik's cube over here. It looks a little awesome. And there is something you can click over here. And the triangle cube can be solved. It is difficult to solve all the cubes that you have in the home. But but if you are famous cube solver, then you can solve hard cubes easily. If you are famous in trying, but it takes a really long time to do it. You have to practice all day, practice and practice and